Yeah. It's been a ride. I guess I had to go to that place to get to this one. Now some of you might still be in that place. And this is what we do.
M&M's. Can't resist them.
Hello people, good afternoon, my dear public. Welcome to this program Al Sabor de Beto. On this winter afternoon, we cook a simple dessert for the next holiday. For coincidence with our family and friends, giving a great brunch in gold for our Christmas dinner, or New Year's with a flavorful white wine, served with strong berries. But also, you can prepare for a romantic dinner with your boyfriend or girlfriend on the anniversary birthday of Valentine's Day. Let's go! We're going to prepare it! As you can see, it's very easy and simple to prepare this delicious dessert. It's ready to taste it. Eat a nice evening together with your loved ones or that special person in your life. Thanks for your presence in this program, Al Sabor de Beto. Have a good day. See you.
Once upon a time in a town like this, a little girl made a great big wish.